Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So one recruitment is there for you from NSUT, which is very good opportunity. Okay, and Group B and Group C, various posts are there. Total 63 vacancies. If you complete your diploma, degree, MCA, BSc, MSc, MTech, then definitely you can apply. Okay, branches are CSIT, Electrical, EC, Mechanical, Civil and Physics, Chemistry. So for CSIT, this is golden opportunity after NILET because lots of vacancies are there for you guys also. Okay, so now one by one we will see each and everything regarding the recruitment. Age limit is 30 years for Group B and 27 years for Group C for general candidate, and for obviously OBC and your SST candidate will get relaxation, right? So let's start the video. So as always we see the important points. So first important point is for OBC candidate. Okay, relaxation or reservation benefit will be given to only Delhi people. So those people who are from Delhi, domicile of Delhi plus OBC, okay, they will get the benefit. Other all over India OBC candidate will be treated as open candidate only. So this is the first important points. Okay. For other categories like SC, ST, EWS, yes, definitely you will get the reservation. Okay, you will get the reservation benefit. All over India candidates, no need to worry. Second, as I told you that various posts are there, so you can apply to multiple posts. There is no issue. But here is the condition. Okay, as they given that they can conduct the exam on one day also. On one day also. So clash may be happen. Okay, exam clash will be there. So that's why on your risk only you will apply. Okay, that is clearly mentioned on the notification. Okay, well, now in the coming notifications or current notifications, this point was separately mentioned. I don't know why they doing. I guess just to earn the fees, right? Okay, let's see what happens. Your job posting will be in Delhi. Okay, so job location is Delhi. Then exam centers will be also Delhi, but here it is condition. If lots of applicants are there from all over India, then definitely they can increase the centers. Okay, but see, just consider exam center as Delhi only, because every time in notification they tell us like this, but they didn't do. Okay, so that's why I am telling you to consider Delhi only. Next, for Group C, exam will be there, which is having 75% of weightage, and skill test and lab test is there, which is there for 25%. Then Group B process is your 50% exam and 25% skill test and 25% interview. Okay, so this is the process for Group C and Group B post. Let's move further. So now we will see the vacancy wise distribution. So first we will start with Group C, as vacancies are there, more vacancies are there. Okay, so in Group C, first post technical assistant, post code 10, total 26 vacancies are there. For CSIT total 13, ECE 1, mechanical 3, BSc 1, EE 1, chemistry physics 1 and civil 4, design 1. Okay, so for CSIT 13 vacancies are there. Now who can apply to technical assistant? Those who complete diploma plus 2-year experience they have, then they can apply, or directly if you complete your BE BTech, then definitely you can add, no experience needed. For physics chemistry for this year, okay, you require BSc with experience, but if you complete MSc, then directly you can apply, there is no issue. Okay, age limit is 27 for this post. Then the next post in the Group C, that is your junior mechanic, which is having post code 05, CSIT level, ECE 4, mechanical 2, BSc 1, ICE 1, civil 1 and design 1. Okay, who can apply? Those who complete diploma, directly they can apply. Those who complete degree, they can also apply. Okay, there is no problem, and age limit is 27 again. Then Group B, under Group B we have junior programmer, and only candidate who complete MTech and MSc can apply. Okay, age limit is 30 years. So if you complete your MTech in computer science, IT and software engineering, then definitely you can apply, and this is very good opportunity for you. Okay, as post is also very big, that is Group B. So under level 7th you will get the pay, and competition will be also less, because only between MTech and MCA candidate. Okay, no BE BTech allowed, and age limit is also 30 years. Okay, next is for Group B. So for Group B again one post there, senior technical assistant STA. Okay, group post code 07. For CSIT again 2 vacancies are there, so 13, 11 and 2. Okay, that's why this is the very good opportunity for CSIT public, civil 1, and age limit is 30. If you complete your BE BTech, then definitely you can apply, no issue. So for BE BTech also there is a chance to fight for Group B, only for CSIT and civil people. Okay, so this is the vacancy wise and category wise distribution. For Group B, what is the fee? General OBC EWS will pay 2000 rupees, SST PW will pay 1000 rupees, and cutoff date is 1st of June. So till 1st of June you should calculate your age limit. Okay, so age limit cutoff date is 1st of June. Then for Group C, fees, general OBC EWS will pay 1200 rupees, SST PW will pay 800 rupees. Then the next exam pattern, they didn't give the exam pattern, so don't worry about that. In the strategy video, we will definitely discuss. Okay, I will try to collect some information because few people are there in NSUT, so that's why there is no issue for us. Okay, don't worry. Then the next important dates: general SS 2730, OBC plus 3, SST plus 5. Okay, form will be start today only at 10 a.m. and definitely it will end on 31st of July up to 5, and exam date they will announce later. Okay, so the next information related to form and everything, I will definitely make video on this. Okay, video will be in Hindi language, but still the doubt in the form you can comment on that video. Okay, so don't worry no need to worry. And in strategy video we will discuss everything. So just connect to Apna Government Job channel, and if you have any query, any doubt, you can ask me on Telegram, you can ask me on Instagram also if you want to ask personally. Okay, on our application also you can ask me query, and definitely we will discuss in very much detail next time in the strategy video. So are you filling the form? Okay, if yes, then comment yes, and if no, then why. I want comment. Okay, all the best.